Now I explain to you. You are the chanter. You are giving delight. Nama Prabhu also puts. It's like a cooking something. He also puts something there. What does he put? Super delight energy he puts there. And then, see, if I delightfully welcome you, you will also be delightful. Finally, what happens? Both of us share the total delight. Just like I love you, you love me. We both experience the combined love. Yes or no? Similarly, I give my delight. I give my transcendental pleasure. The Lord is pleased. He puts an energy into my heart, and finally I taste super delight, transcendental delight. So therefore, don't think that when you are chanting, you are giving X amount of delight, but what you are experiencing is not X amount of what you give, but you are experiencing X times that, as decided by Nama Prabhu. So there is a reciprocation of delight. You see? Because otherwise somebody will think, you may think, what is the point? I am delightfully doing that. Nothing is happening from him. What is there? I don't know how long I'll go on delightfully. No, you will see that there is a reciprocation. It is not only your delight, from somewhere your delightness is amplifying. You just wanted to give delight. He will give 10 times. Just like Prabhupada says, you take one step towards Krishna, Krishna take 10 steps. So there is another thing very important. Please anticipate this delight. This is one of the hopes, one of the anticipation, one of the kripa apeksha. Please give me the taste to serve you, because there is a taste to serve you. I am not asking you to give me the taste to touch you. I am not qualified. I will chant Shakti Avesha Nama, Aprakata Nama. I am not awakened. I am not asking to give me that Namaruchi right now. My Guru has told me what is my stage of my chanting. I am not asking now Namaruchi, but I am asking. Please give me the pleasure of serving you. This is called the pleasure of doing and knowing. Pleasure of doing, knowing, tasking, doing, knowing, tasking, doing, knowing, tasking. Builds up. So we should chant with transcendental delight. Okay. So that is one thing. Then, these are some of the things that we discussed all along. In other words, what is this super? What is finally transcendental delight? Transcendental delight is nothing but your amplified Kriya Karya Chesta Ruchi. There is a Chesta Ruchi of Kriya. What is a Kriya Chesta Ruchi? Your Atma Chesta of concurrent chanting and hearing. Kriya Jnana Chesta, that Ruchi. Kriya Jnana Chesta Ruchi. That is the beginning. First Ruchi we talked about. That there is a energy that comes, there's a pleasant energy that comes when you chant and hear concurrently on each back. Chant and hear that very chant, there is a kind of a ruchi there that comes into our heart. A pleasant energy which you want to do again and again and again. Now then we talked about, introduced, there is a Karya Chesta Ruchi. Karya means doing a work. A chesta, a karya requires a sadhya, an achievement, what I want to achieve. So in tasking, very important is to have a goal. So then karya chesti ruchi. So there is that transcendental taste already enhanced by the Lord, Kriya Jnana Chesta Ruchi of individual chanting come hearing is amplified by the Lord, which makes you hold your attention. Now Kriya Ruchi also is amplified by the Lord. You give Kriya Chesta Ruchi, take pleasure in wanting more and more, Krishna will multiply that wanting more and more. What more we need to do our japa? In our life, every day we get 2 hours of pleasure, transcendental delight, not ordinary delight, transcendental delight. We all want a sense of achievement. Every day our brain is always thinking, do something and achieve something. Here, 2 hours continuously we are achieving 16 rounds. So it's amplified Divya Chesta Ruchi. It is amplified Divya Karya Chesta Ruchi. Karya Chesta, Jnana Chesta, Kriya Chesta, all of them put together, let us say it is the Chesta of Japa. So Divya Chesta Ruchi is what you give, amplified by the Lord. You give, but you experience a multiplied, amplified Chesta Ruchi. What we are talking is all experienceable, very much experienceable. Sometimes that Chesta Ruchi is so much you will have, your eyes become wet. Mahaprabhu is so merciful.